So good evening, everyone. Hi, this is Abhijit. Thanks for joining in. So today's session we'll be having around leadership development. So uh, thank you everyone for being around. I hope you enjoyed our previous sessions and got to learn a lot about uh, the how do you structure your project or your solutions for the hackathon. So I'll try and be more interactive. If you guys have questions, please keep them coming. ओके सो सत्यम आप हैं, मुझे खुशी हुई आप यहाँ पे हैं। तो मैं हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश करूँगा। थोड़ा इंग्लिश रहेगा तो आई होप कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो यस, तो सत्यम आप Q&A के लिए ये यूज़ कर सकते हैं। आपको अगर कुछ चैट करना है तो आप प्लीज़ चैट बॉक्स में बात कीजिएगा। ओके, सो थैंक यू। सो I'd like to share a small story with all of you to begin with. So leadership generally जब हम लोग सुनते हैं, सो लीडरशिप के बारे में वी हियर कि नहीं, देयर इज मतलब एक हमारे दिमाग में एक पिक्चर आता है कि देयर इज समवन हु इज लीडिंग अ रेवोल्यूशन, या वो एकदम आगे बहुत सारी भीड़ उसके पीछे है और ही इज डूइंग समथिंग व्हिच इज has a lot of following to that. But primarily, is that what leaders do, or is that what leadership will help you with, or the leadership skills will help you that in terms of doing that? But I think leadership is primarily doing a lot of mistakes. Leadership may what true leaders have shown us is that they are not able to do all the right things, but they are able to move people towards doing something that is right. So uh, like there's this one, so a small story that I would like to share with all of you. In so when while I was in school, we used to have all of these different periods for like obviously हम सभी लोगों को subjects के लिए अलग अलग periods होते हैं, but in our specific school we had something called as a zero period. Zero period was something which was open कि हम लोग को we could do anything. Like there were classes for there were classes for dancing, there were classes for singing, karate, ये वो बहुत सारी चीजें होती थी. So in this experience हम लोग को पढ़ाई के अलावा काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, मतलब आर डे यूज टू स्टार्ट इन अ वेरी क्रिएटिव मैनर. उससे हमको एक जोश आ जाता था कि ठीक है, वाइल आर क्रिएटिव एनर्जी स्टार्टेड फिलिंग इन at the very beginning of the day, the rest of the day used to be very productive. कि हम लोग का फिर पढ़ाई में भी काफ़ी मन लगता था कि typically zero period for us used to be like just doing whatever we like. That I think that uh, that specific time for all of us in that school used to be very uh, interesting, used to make us happy. But we realized the importance of doing that after a certain point in life, like probably after we actually went into college or went on to our professional journeys, is we saw that we were able to have a very different mindset from our peers. Like जब भी हम लोग कॉलेज का या स्कूल का बात करते थे तो टिपिकल वही था कि क्लासेस हो रहे हैं, ये हो रहे हैं, वो हो रहे हैं. बट देन फॉर अस और स्पेसिफिकली माय स्कूल, हम लोग को ये सारी चीज़ें करने करने के वजह से वी वर not very shy when it came to talking to people or actually going out there and putting ourselves up on stage. Uh, we had uh, we had these assemblies. I think pretty much sabhi schools mein bhi hota hai. So it happened to be it happened to be like कि the class teacher was only a monitoring level pe, but all of the kids were given a free hand in terms of designing that entire experience uh, for the entire school. So we could like bring out new concepts, we could do a lot of things, and nobody stopped us. Matlab, I think I remember one time where I tried to do a magic show on stage. It flopped terribly. Uh, a lot of people laughed after that. Even a couple of teachers made fun of me. But then I think I got that kind of confidence कि मैं एक stage पे fail होके भी I can still go out and then speak again. That never left me. So I think it is those small things that we are able to do for children or even for young adults when they while we coach them or train them for leadership. Uh, that will stay on for life. So it's more activity based stuff that really helps people out. Now, when we like how do we actually move forward, or what is the core importance of leadership, or what is the requirement? So one core fundamental is either leading yourself, that is having a personal mastery or having an assertive image in the world in general, uh, or having a professional image in general for your peers or in your circles. The other part is for leading others. So whenever, let's say, we are leading a team or we're leading a company, uh, or we are part of a voluntary activity, I think that's where the leadership becomes highly important, that you're able to, you know how to really manage a team. Because if you see the people who climb up the ladders in life, like whether say it corporate or otherwise, are are the ones who have amazing people skills. uh, उनके पास में टेक्निकल स्किल भले ही, मतलब इट कुड बी टेक्निकल या मैनेजरियल स्किल इतना अच्छा ना हो, बट देन they are the people, they are those who can manage people really well. उनको लोगों को लीड करना काफी अच्छे से आता है. So that's where that's where a skill like this really becomes of importance. Or when you're coaching or mentoring people. The third part is when you're managing a business. कि जब भी आप कोई आपका खुद का बिजनेस चलाने वाले हो या आपका खुद का प्रोजेक्ट चलाने वाले हो, सो यहाँ पे आपको लीडरशिप इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट होती है क्योंकि you cannot be one among the rest of the team and let it go on. You cannot have like a uh, uh, flat hierarchy always and manage a growing business or manage a team. You need to have someone who's in charge and who's leading that change. So it always starts with the story of one, which I've seen in a lot of places happen. Like very recently, uh, even during this corona pandemic, जब बहुत सारा relief work चल रहा था, I know this one amazing guy called Mr. Khushbu Pocha. He runs this it's not an organization, it's basically just a network. It's just people coming together called Seva Kitchen. जहाँ पे he as one person just started doing things, and it really escalated to a level that they were able to support and uh, they were able to provide uh, uh, like migrant laborers or people in low income backgrounds with grocery kits and all of that to the tune of 1 CR. And with that also, without having any kind of legal structure, like they don't have an NGO. Like Seva Kitchen is not an NGO, it's not a organization, it is not a corporate body, it's not funded by anyone. It's just a group of people that came together following one man who wanted to see change happen. So I think that going to that vision, or being able to project yourself larger than life, is something that makes a leader, or something that makes us follow somebody. Like we see a lot of people in our daily lives that are that we aim to become, ki either our boss, our mentor, some actor, politician, businessman, whatever, कि नहीं मुझे उसके जैसे बनना है. But then how do we get that, or how do we inculcate that kind of a image, or that kind of skills into a person that we are either managing, or how can we implement that for ourselves? So leadership development is, first it starts with becoming a master in someone, in something, like and how do you do that is uh, it's simply by committing mistakes. So I think if you've read that if you've read that quote by Warren Buffett, is there's an interviewer who asked him that how do you make the right decisions. To that he responds that by committing several mistakes, and after committing several mistakes, I know what is right, and that's where I start making the right decisions. So it's a collective intelligence that you are able to build over a certain period of time, and उसके वजह से आप मतलब आप जब बहुत सारी गलतियां करते हो, तब जाके आप कोई चीज में एक्सपर्ट होना शुरू होते हो, कि यू start getting to know what doesn't uh, doesn't work, or what you shouldn't do. That is the very first step of leading or becoming an expert into something. uh, and once you are able to do that, then you are in a position to tell people what needs to be done. And once you can do that, you'll have that kind of following, or you'll have that kind of structure to tell to guide people in following you, or projecting yourself towards doing something where you will have a following. uh, any I At the outset, like, do you guys have any uh, thoughts about leadership that you specifically want to explore, that we'd like to take up during this discussion? So if you have questions, please put that up, or if there are any specific topics. Otherwise, I'll just keep going on continuously. Okay. So I think that's one part. Uh, the fundamental of being a leader primarily is a pull mechanism. Uh, so when you compare, so what's the difference between being a manager and being a leader? Now, जो मैंने चीजें बताई वो ऑलमोस्ट मतलब वो एक मैनेजर के लिए भी सही है, एक लीडर के लिए भी सही है. बट व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंस between both of them? So one is uh, a manager is pushing you to do things. वो बोलता है नहीं ये करो, ये करना है, इस समय करना है, जल्दी करना है. But a leader pulls you to do things. कि the leader like brings in that aspiration कि नहीं ये मुझे करना है, मुझे अपने लिए करना है, या I have to become one with the cause for doing this. So I think there are uh, several companies or several entrepreneurs that I follow who have built that image in their teams कि नहीं this is one person, और जिसके वजह से the team becomes a part of them. If you see like a well-known name like Elon Musk, कि वो क्या करता है कि मतलब काफी सारे लोगों ने उसके बारे में कंप्लेंट्स किया है कि ये उनका बहुत ही एराटिक शेड्यूल होता है काम में. ही वर्क्स 15 hours 16 hours a day. Offices में भी people who go and work for him, वो बहुत मतलब they have to slog their entire days. But then still people want to go and work for Elon Musk, or they want to work for the company that he's leading. So again, uh, uh, here a slight thing कि आपने सुना होगा कि यार मुझे जाके इलॉन मस्क के लिए काम करना है, या मुझे जाके इस इस एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए काम करना है, या इस पॉलिटिशियन के लिए काम करना है। हम हम कोई ब्रांड के पीछे या कोई एक कंपनी या कोई एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए काम नहीं करना चाहते, हम वो इंसान के लिए काम करना चाहते हैं। Yes. So, yes, Liz, exactly. So, leaders are able to develop that vision that people feel being a part of. So, I think if we are like not a lot of people on this discussion, I think, uh, Ria, can you add them to the meeting? If we can have a discussion, I think that will be easier. Uh, yes. So, absolutely, yeah. So Liz, thank you for putting that out. So joining a movement like Next Eduthon, where people are actually यहाँ पे systematic change. So I think what an organization like Makeshift is able to do is they've called people for a cause. कि I want to bring out a change in the education domain. For me, again, like I'm not here because Makeshift is doing this or Next Eduthon is doing this. I'm here because my friend Sharvari and Ruchira are putting this out. Like they are my inspiration. That I'm a part of this entire in like entire initiative. I'm a partner. I'm doing these sessions is because they inspire me to become uh, to become a part of something larger than myself. They've put together this vision of becoming for all of us here, whoever is participating, that we want to contribute something we want to contribute towards something in education. We want to contribute towards the challenges that we see. So uh, that's the kind of leadership that I'm talking about. Like uh, putting something like this together is like doing a hackathon is not a new idea, but doing a hackathon for education, doing it together for getting that experts together is requires the first step. And I think there's nobody I think this we discussed in the past few sessions also, there's nothing that stops anyone from doing anything. But then why are some people able to achieve uh, why are some people able to achieve uh, a few things better than the others? Because they take that first step, they are able to become those leaders, as we call them. So uh, what what are those few things that make up a leader? uh, I think primarily it is the cause, the mission, the purpose of anyone, for a person. So I'm a big fan of Simon Sinek's the Circle concept, where he tells about why organizations or how organizations should market themselves. And I think that stands true for like not just for organization but also for people. Like people don't follow you for uh, what you do or how you do it. People follow you for why, like the reason that you do it, right? uh, we are not here because like there is a hackathon happening, or there are experts coming and sharing on different topics. We are here because uh, we want to contribute towards the educational problems that exist. uh, so I think that's the very core. Like if we want to develop leaders, if we or want to become leaders, I think what we need to be vocal about is why we are doing something. uh, for us as an organization, for Vruksh, we are here like our goal in general is we want to build the future. That's our tagline also, is uh, we really want to build the future. We want to help entrepreneurs come up with different ideas. We want to help entrepreneurs realize their ideas, guide them through that entire process, and solve the problems that exist today for us, and which will create a better future for people. And that's why we say that we're here to build the future. Uh, we are not here to run an entrepreneurship program, or we are not here to provide services to entrepreneurs, or take you through a program or connect you to an expert. We are here to build a future for you. So uh, that's what always remains the core of an organization, or for people. uh, I think, yeah, anyone who'd like to chat, please. I think I'm not the admin. Ria, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
If anyone wants to chat up,
हाँ, पैनलिस्ट के लिए ऑन है वो.
yes, तो आप उनको पैनलिस्ट के लिए अप कर सकते हैं. ओके. या सो आयुष यहाँ पे कहते हैं कि न्यू लीडर्स हु कम अप आर authoritative in contrast. Old leaders are much more friendly. How do we address this? So Ayush, I'm sorry, I just saw this question. So I think uh, uh, what happens generally is new leaders, जब नया नया जोश होता है ना, तो ऐसे लगता है that's exactly the concept of core, that's core to leadership is जब हम लोग पहली बार कोई लीडर बनता है, तो वो लीडर नहीं बनता है, वो मैनेजर बनता है. जो सिर्फ बताते हैं आपको ये करना है, आपको वो करना है. दैट्स व्हेन वी सी दैट अथॉरिटी कमिंग इन. So, and they command respect. They expect people to treat them with respect. While as for a leader, when it comes to, like as you said, ki old and experienced leaders are very much friendly because they've been through the ups and downs. They've seen ki nahi yaar, ye it's I think लोगों को आप फोर्स करके यू कैन गो ओनली सो फार इफ यू बिकम वन विद देम. कि अगर मतलब आप गांधी जी को देखिए, या आप यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, अ लॉट ऑफ लीडर्स दैट वी हैव सीन इज, आपको वो हमेशा एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं दिखेंगे. एक a manager will always be at a platform. कि they'll always try and show that they are above you. But जब एक लीडर होता है, तो वो लीडर वो लोगों के साथ में मिल के काम करता है. मतलब यू सी like we have hundreds and thousands of examples of the good and bad leaders. Ki, if I compare someone like if I compare a Gandhi ji to a Hitler, I think Hitler was someone like who was authoritative. Like he was a leader. He obviously had a following. There was a cult of his own. But then for the world, he always, like, people used to fear him. People did not respect him. That's where the difference happens. Is are people uh, are people giving you respect out of fear, or are they giving it because they like what you follow? Uh, in terms of young leaders or new leaders, they see कि नहीं, I am given this position, so people should follow me. कि लोगों ने मुझे सुनना चाहिए, लोगों ने मेरी बात सुननी चाहिए. तो वो बहुत अपने आप को असर्ट करते हैं दूसरों पे कि नहीं, मैं तुम्हारा लीडर हूँ, मैं तुम्हारा लीडर हूँ, आप मुझे फॉलो करो. बट जबकि हम कुछ एक्सपीरियंस लोगों के साथ आते हैं, तो वो आपके साथ आके बैठेंगे, वो बोलेंगे कि वी आर हियर फॉर अ कॉज. ये मेरे लिए या आपके लिए नहीं है. ये ये एक स्पेसिफिक कम्युनिटी ऑफ पीपल के लिए है, ये कंट्री के लिए है. मतलब द रीजन वाई दे आर डूइंग समथिंग इज बियॉन्ड देयर पर्सनल गोल. कि मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि मुझे कुछ फायदा होगा, बट लोगों को फायदा होगा. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ मैनेजर एंड लीडर. और जो आपने कहा कि जो ऑथोरिटेटिव नेचर होता है, वो इसी वजह से आता है. कमिंग टू how should we address something like this? I think the best way is to be amongst people who have led. Like uh, at least for me, I think I've been in the company of really amazing people, जिन्होंने मुझे वो इस तरीके से चीजें समझाई है कि I thought, okay, if that person can be so humble in front of me, or that person who is leading a huge company is being able to give me time, or even if I say कि मैं कुछ भी रैंडम चीज़ें बोलूँ तो वो मुझे सुन के पूरी तरीके से सुन के फिर मुझे एड्रेस करते हैं. So uh, who am I to just be an authoritative person to others? So I think वो humility also काफ़ी important part हो जाता है लोगों के लिए. अगर आप अगर आप हम्बल हो सकते हैं, सो आपके लिए बहुत सारे लोग खड़े हो जाएंगे. आप बोलेंगे कि नहीं ये करना है क्योंकि मुझे ये करके चाहिए और इस वजह से मुझे इस वजह से मुझे फायदा होगा, इस वजह से मुझे ये होगा वो होगा. तो ऐसा नहीं है. उस वजह से लोग कम फॉलो करेंगे आपको शायद. उस वजह से शायद वो जो लीडरशिप क्वालिटी जो आपको चाहिए वो शायद नहीं आ पाएगी. सो अगर आप इस टाइप के लीडर्स, अगर आप आपके स्कूल में या आपके कॉलेज में या आप खुद अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं आई एम बीइंग अथॉरिटेटिव और माय लीडर इज बीइंग अथॉरिटेटिव, आई थिंक जो हमको करना चाहिए इज गेट देम टू पीपल और एक्सपोज देम टू leaders who have been there for several years. I think जब तक कि वो मिक्स एंड मैच नहीं होगा तब तक के लोगों को ये चीज़ नहीं समझेगी. तभी जाके हम लोग ये जो ऑथोरिटेटिव नेचर है उसको एड्रेस कर पाएंगे. राइट. सो नेक्स्ट इज कमिंग टू द लीडरशिप फ्रेमवर्क इज कि एक तो जो कोर वैल्यूज है ऑब्वियसली कि जो मिशन पर्पस होता है मेरा कि व्हाई एम आई डूइंग समथिंग. The next part obviously which becomes is the competency. Is am I competent enough to lead this? क्या मुझ में मतलब सीधी भाषा में क्या मुझ में दम है कोई चीज़ करने का, या मैं सिर्फ बातें कर रहा हूँ. क्या मैंने वो चीज़ खुद से की है. क्या अगर मेरे साथ में जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं अगर वो कहीं रुक जाते हैं या कहीं पे वो स्टक हो जाते हैं, सो कैन आई गेट देम आउट ऑफ इट. डू आई मतलब हिंदी में जैसे बोलते हैं कि क्या मैंने अपने हाथ गंदे किए हैं और तब मैं लोगों को बता रहा हूँ, या मैं अपने हाथ साफ रख के ही मैं लोगों को ज्ञान बांट रहा हूँ. तो ट्रू लीडरशिप एक्चुअली कम्स देयर वेर यू हैव डन थिंग्स, वेर यू गॉन कि मैंने गटर में जाके चीज़ें साफ की है, गंदगी साफ की है, तब जाके मैं लोगों को बता सकता हूँ कि नहीं ये मैंने किया है इसीलिए मुझे पता है. एंड दैट इज़ वेयर दी एक्सपर्टीज ऑल्सो कम्स इन कि जब तक कि आप करेंगे नहीं, गलतियाँ होंगी नहीं, तब तक कि आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. सो आई थिंक I can allow you guys to talk. So I'm just adding all of you. अगर आप लोग को कुछ सवाल है तो we can make it more uh, bi-directional rather than just me speaking. So do you guys have any questions? Hello? Okay. So competency एक पार्ट हो गया कि एज आई सेड कि क्या मेरे पास में वो स्किल है, क्या मेरे पास में वो नॉलेज है जहाँ पे मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ या मैं किसी को कुछ बता सकता हूँ कि मैं सिर्फ अपना अथॉरिटी डिस्प्ले कर रहा हूँ. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट comes to that is the style. Now obviously like there are different ways. I'm not saying कि आपको एक सूट बूट में जाके या आपको एकदम खादी कपड़े पहन के ही आपको लीडर बन सकते हैं. देयर इज अ वे यूनिक टू एवरीवन कि हाउ आर यू डूइंग समथिंग लाइक दैट कि आपके पास में आपका वो क्या एक चीज़ यूनिक है कि नहीं यार ये इंसान या तो बात बहुत अच्छे से करता है, ये इंसान या तो मतलब जिस तरीके से द पर्सन ड्रेसेस अप, दैट समथिंग वेरी यूनिक, या वो जिस तरीके से लोगों के साथ में समझाते हैं, वो जिस तरीके से चीज़ें करते हैं, वो सारी चीज वो that's exactly when I talk about style is the kind of leadership style कि हम लोग किस तरीके से लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं. So that's sorry. So that is something which is very important कि can you either, अगर आप leader है तो can you create that unique style for yourself कि this is how I'll do something, or this is how uh, I will tell people or manage my business or speak or do a presentation, all of that. I think uh, वो that will come through a process is when you start doing things and you understand कि क्या चीज़ें काम करती है क्या नहीं काम करती है. That's where you'll have that's where you learn कि आपका वो leadership style क्या है. Now like for us as an organization, हम लोगों ने एक चीज़ आई थिंक एक चीज़ मेरे लिए काफ़ी काम किया है जो मैंने मेरी प्रीवियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में भी सीखा था. So जब मैंने when I started out my career, so I used to work for this organization called LARE, which was called the Laboratory of Applied Research in Electronics. तो वहाँ पे एक फ़ायदा हमको ये था कि I was an intern there, मैं मेरे second year में था, but I had the full authority to work on any project that I wanted to. The topmost person in the company to somebody like me, there was like it was one person, one connect away कि मुझे एक series of अपॉइंटमेंट शेड्यूल नहीं करने पड़ते थे, या तो एक लैडर से मुझे, अगर मुझे कंपनी के ओनर से या सीईओ से बात करना तो मुझे वो उस लेवल तक के नहीं जाना पड़ता था. आई कुड जस्ट वॉक इनटू देयर ऑफिस और जस्ट गिव देम अ कॉल कि मुझे आपसे बात करना है. आई थिंक दैट रियली एनग्रेन्ड इनटू मी. एंड वहाँ पे भी मैंने एक चीज़ ये देखा कि इवन लाइक एन इंटर्न वाज as uh, as well treated as a full-time employee or as the organization leader. So there's no difference in hierarchy there कि ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अगर मैं सिर्फ intern हूँ तो मैं I cannot do something. I just had to ask कि can I do this, and I was given the मतलब मुझे वो परमिशन था कि मैं वो चीज़ कर सकता हूँ. सो हमने भी, जब मैं अपनी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस बना रहा था, तो मैंने ये देखा कि आई थिंक इफ आई गॉट अ चांस लाइक दैट एंड मुझ में वो पोटेंशियल था आगे बढ़ने का, तो और काफ़ी सारे लोग होंगे जिनको शायद चांस नहीं मिला इसलिए वो आगे नहीं बढ़ पाए. और हमने वही एक, आई थिंक दैट्स समथिंग दैट आई फॉलोड ऑन गोइंग फर्दर कि हम लोग जब हमारी कंपनीज चला रहे थे तो आई गॉट इन इंटर्न्स who eventually like one of my very close friends was an intern with me when I started the company, like when my second startup, and eventually he became the co-founder of that organization. कि I saw कि नहीं यार ये बंदा कर सकता है, ये बंदे में वो ability है, and today uh, he's contributing to more stuff than I can imagine कि वो तभी कर सकता था. Even for our current organization कि हमने one of the key persons that we got in as an intern very early on, he stayed with us, he showed that kind of uh, leadership quality, and today he's an associate director with us. So we've been able to like I think वो जो क्वालिटी मैंने लोगों में कि आप एक्सप्लोर करो, दैट समथिंग दैट आई लर्नड इन माय प्रीवियस ईयर्स, और जो मुझे फ़ायदेमंद रहा कि मैंने लोगों को फ्रीडम दे दिया कि आप कूदो, आप करो, गलती करो, सीखो, आई डोंट माइंड, लाइक even if it is costing me money, there is obviously a threshold to that, but then you are open to experiment. तो अगर आप वैसे कर सकते हो तो then I think that's how our organization has grown कि मैं काम बांट देता हूँ, and then there are people who take it up as it's their own. I don't have to worry about the outcomes, and I think that's one of the best ways कि जब आप अगर आपको लीडर बनाना है तो या तो आपको उनको खुली छूट देनी पड़ेगी. You just have to let them be what they are, and explore, commit mistakes and learn. You should always be there guiding them, correcting their paths at every point in situation. Like I think that's even for me, what I do is I have my set of mentors और हमारा board जो है कि I just call them up कि sir मुझे ये करना है, I don't know what to do, this is something that needs to be done, and they guide me in the exact similar fashion. And I think that has worked really well uh, in a lot of organizations that I've seen, that people have grown uh, from nothing. So uh, I'm not sure आपको वो story पता है. So I think Alibaba जो company है वहाँ पे लाइक जैक मा की जो सेक्रेटरी थी जब when he started the company, he just asked the person to trust him and be with the company, and today that person leads uh, a lot of different verticals within Alibaba. I've heard about I'm not sure आपको ये कंपनी पता है, like Snapdeal करके एक कंपनी पता होगी. So उसमें भी like one of my friend, he was the manager there. So he told me that there's this one person who was an early on employee with them, and because he stayed with the company for such a long time, uh, he was eventually managing like the top tier, like IIM के graduates को भी वो manage करता था. So that's kind of the leadership that we want to develop into people, where they can uh, they become an owner. They feel one either with the organization or they feel one with your cause. I think that's something that I've learned over the years. How do we break it down even further? I think if you guys have any questions, you're free to chat. I have given you access. अगर आप में से किसी को बात करना है तो आप प्लीज बात कर सकते हैं. कुछ सवाल होंगे तो आपको सवाल शेयर करने होंगे तो. ओके. सो यस, सो प्रोसेस अभी हम लोग को किस तरीके से ड्राइव करना है. सो देयर आर 3 स्पेसिफिक पार्ट्स इसमें. वन इज लीडिंग, जहाँ पे आप एक लीडरशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी या तो खुद को देते हो या किसी और को देते हो, and you enable that person to in every possible way कि आपको ये चीज़ डिलीवर करना है, आप कैसे करोगे, आप बताओ आपको क्या हेल्प चाहिए, एंड मेक देम इजी फॉर लाइक make make the process easy for the person. Next is आप जब आप उनको एक लीडरशिप पोजीशन में रखते हो, now while you're doing it with students or while you're doing it for yourself or your colleagues, the next part is how do you drive result. कि आपने लीडरशिप पोजीशन तो दे दिया, but then in order to keep that in check और या तो फिर keep that going further, आपको regular follow-ups या regular checks या performance indicators बनाने पड़ेंगे. In business language we call it KPIs, which is key performance indicators. Now अगर आपने आपके ये key performance indicators अगर आप खुद के लिए कर रहे हो तो क्या आपने आपके खुद के KPIs बना के रखे हैं या आपकी टीम के लिए या पर्टिकुलर लोगों के लिए. So that's something that we need to work upon. And once you keep reviewing these, तो आप ये जो KPIs रिव्यू करते रहते हैं तो यू अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा ये 4 चीज़ें मैंने की है, ये 4 में से ये 2 चीज़ें मेरे लिए फ्रूटफुल थी, ये 2 नहीं थी, इसमें से मैंने क्या सीखा और इसमें मैंने क्या किया, इसमें अच्छा क्या हुआ. सो एंड देन यू स्टार्ट इम्प्रूविंग अपॉन दैट. सो व्हेन ये जो इंक्रीमेंटल चेंज होता है कि व्हाट हैव आई डन, इज दैट राइट, सो देन हाउ कैन आई इम्प्रूव अपॉन इट. मैंने इफ देयर समथिंग दैट जो मैंने गलत किया है तो वो गलती क्यों हुई, कहाँ हुई, और मैं उसको इम्प्रूव कैसे कर सकता हूँ. और फिर द सेम प्रोसेस अगर हम लोग फॉलो करेंगे तो देन यू सी द ग्रोथ in a person, or then you see that leadership quality really coming out कि you're able to quantify, आप measure कर सकते हो कि आपका growth किस तरीके से किस लेवल पे हुआ है. So I think that's something which really helps out कि अगर लोग गलतियां कर रहे हैं तो गलतियां गलतियां करना एक बात है, और गलतियां करके सीखना और उस पे ग्रो करना इज व्हाट एक्चुअली लीडरशिप इज. तो आर यू एबल टू गेट दैट इन पीपल? आर यू एबल टू इंस्पायर पीपल टू अ लेवल जहाँ पे आप ये चीज कर सकते हो? सो I'll just wrap up this into again three parts. Is for a leader, it is important to first have the vision. Ki, why am I doing this? What is your why? Second is आपकी skills, sorry, आपका knowledge वो subject के बारे में, कि आपको कितना पता है, आपको उस domain के बारे में कि आपको knowledge है अच्छे से. एंड द थर्ड पार्ट इज क्या आपके पास में स्किल्स है कि आप वो चीज़ कर सकते हो या करवा सकते हो, राइट? सो आई थिंक ये जो तीन चीज़ें काम करती है, एंड उसके ऊपर में जैसा मैंने बोला कि देन देर इज द पार्ट ऑफ कि हाउ व्हाट्स योर लीडरशिप स्टाइल, आप हाउ डू यू वांट टू बी showcased as. I think that's something that can that really I'm sorry, that really motivates people to towards your cause or to become a part of your organization or to follow you, right? uh, any questions now? Okay. Okay. If we don't have any questions, I can wrap up. Ria?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have something on your mind?
No. Actually, I am also a business student. I took commerce in my 12th, so like I know the leadership and everything, like the different types of styles and everything.
Okay. That's amazing. Okay.
Yeah.
Glad to. I hope I spoke sense.
Yeah. It was amazing. This is. I hope like they learned something. Like I learned something from my behalf also.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, I'm back here. Thanks, Abhijit.
Hey, hi Sharwari. Yes. Thank you. I hope this was good.
Yeah. So basically, a couple of thoughts. Development is one thing, and being a leader is one thing, right? Who can make a leader is somebody different, and who is leading is again a different question.
Right. I think I tried to cover the entire spectrum.
Yeah, it was nice, and thanks a lot for being such a big support for this program.
Obviously, as I said, you are a true leader, who is making us do all of this.
Oh my God.
If you missed, that's exactly the example that I used. We are here for Sharwari. Like, I'm not here for makeshift or yeah. I think we are here because you got us together.
So that's something I discussed in the previous session, spaces and programs. So I spoke there about community, and that's what I am blessed with. People like you, people like Abhijit and his team, and everybody here is a community that I used to work with. And then you grow your community with programs. I think the dots will connect this way.
Exactly. Yes. So Shilpa, leadership for equity. What do you mean by that? I'm sorry. So that's what I was saying. I shared. I think there's someone. I think Liz shared here that joining a movement like Next Eduthon. So I think Ruchira and you are our north stars here. कि आप इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हो कि हमको मेक शिफ्ट नहीं लाया, हमको रुचिरा और शर्वरी ने यहाँ लेके आया.
बस बहुत हो गया अभी. Anyways, so Abhijit has been a great support, yeah, seriously. मतलब पहले से ही we started together. Since then, we have discussed so many ideas with each other, and I think he is the leader. He is actually a leader. He leads things. He runs businesses, and I'm still new in running businesses or something. But then there are two types of leadership you can see here: one who leads a company, one who leads a community, maybe. So
I think every company, if a company can be led as a community, I lead my company as a community. That's what I know. मेरे को community, मेरे को लोगों को जमा करना आता है.
Yes. Great. Thanks a lot.
Cool. Thank you very much. I would have been more happy if there were people who were talking, but then yeah, any which ways.
थक
So
गए यार लोग.
yes, long days for everyone. काफी लोगों को काफी सुन लिया आप लोगों ने. But anyways, thank you for this. So okay, can we close? Shall we?
Sorry, I had
Okay,
a problem with
so
my
can you
network.
close up?
Should we wrap up?
Yes.
Okay. Good night. Thanks.
Good night. Yes. Thank you.